Hey guys.
Hey.
Look who I got with me. Got Beckham with me. We're about to have to go have a little fun, aren't we?
Yep.
But what we have to do first is wake up baby brother. We're about to see how all that's gonna go. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out. You ready to wake up, dude? Hey, you wanna go do something fun?
Yeah.
You wanna go to Poppy's shop?
Yes.
You wanna go ride your bike in Poppy's shop?
Yes.
What about Nerf guns? You wanna play Nerf guns?
Yeah.
You wanna go play Nerf guns?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Wait. There's
Wait.
not be Nerf guns there?
With Nerf guns. That'd be fun or no?
There would be. Wait. We're not gonna bring Nerf guns there
Should we?
because we have Nerf guns.
We have Nerf guns. Why don't we bring Nerf guns?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, here we are. Gonna try to get a little bike ride done. Brand new shop.
Yep.
And maybe even a little Nerf War. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But first, we gotta air up some tires here. Well,
I'm gonna go show them the inside of the shop.
I want to get
Okay.
out of my here.
Here we go, inside the shop. See, there's a big fan, tractor body pod, boys, motorcycle, even a big ladder, all the workers stuff. Oh, and here is a wall that my Poppy, or Papa, you can call him, built. All this, all the way to there, and not over here. He's gonna put grass there. Some is already there. Trash. Here you can see the fan better. My water bottle. Light. Better view of the motorcycle. Big windows. Top. Yep. What about? What about the doors? Are they secured?
yeah.
The what?
Nice doors.
What? Aren't we going to close them? Bullets can go through.
Huh?
Are we going to close them because bullets can go through?
I don't know. Maybe we may have to just go get them if they go through. Maybe we'll just try to keep them inside. Wouldn't that be cool? Watch your noggins. Watch your noggins. Alright, go get them. Alright, y'all already tired of riding bikes? It's time for the Nerf battle?
Yeah!
Alright, let's go get the Nerf guns. See what we got. Alright. Got a backpack here. Let's see what we got. Let's lay out the guns. Let's see. See, Max is going first. What's he got? What's he got in here? We got. Oh, Beckham pulls out first. We got white Nerf gun. Let's turn it to the side so we can see it. Alright.
4 and up. I'm 6.
Okay, alright. Here we Is that age? Oh, the double. One of those is Maddox's, right? Here. Let's get him out here.
This is not good.
Huh? This one is? Alright. We got Storm Zone. Alright. Storm Zone. Max, here's your one Storm Zone. Okay. And what we got there? What we got there? What does that one say, Beckham? Looks like we got Adventure Force. Woo!
Extra bullets.
Extra bullet holder. Okay. Alright.
That one's mine.
That's a semi-automatic. Ooh, probably shouldn't point guns at people. We'll cover that later. All right. What else we got? We got another one? Whoa, we got the Elite Commander. Ooh, I'm anxious to see what that one does. Oh, here's Maddox. Got to shoot his off. Oh, shooting the camera. Shooting the camera. All right. Let's see. Any more guns? Any more guns? Let's get out of there. What we got?
Adventure Force.
Oh, this is like that same one, but a bigger one, right? Adventure Force.
And it has this.
Awesome. Man.
This kid.
Okay, any more? Any more to go through? Oh, this is Max's slingshot thing? What's that? Huh? What's that? Cool. Huh? Oh, it just pulls back and shoots. Anything else? What about bullets? I haven't even seen a single bullet. You don't even have bullets.
I shoot it at your face.
Oh, we got more. All right. Let me turn it to the side so we can see it. Let's see what we got. Ooh, Ultra Tech Wizard Air Warriors. Huh, okay. Oh, that one may have to be my gun.
Yeah, it is.
All right. Oh, what is that little guy? Huh.
That's mine.
Oh,
No.
a little pistol for when you're just down to your last gun, your last bullet, and that's it. Boom, you got a little pistol to shoot. Okay. All right, I like it.
That's
Anything else?
mine.
Yeah,
Before we get
socks.
and we got socks. All right. And when in doubt, you can chuck socks at. Oh, hit the camera. Oh. So you can hit the camera with socks. All right, cool. Awesome. Well, let's get started here. Let's get loaded up.
Bullets.
Oh, you see the bullets? One last thing. Oh, bullets are in there. Hey, why do you have all the bullets and Max doesn't have any at all?
I said we're gonna share them.
After this one, I'm changing up to this one, and after this one, I'm changing back to this one.
Okay. All right. So you
So
got
I just
two options, but you got your ammo in the backpack there. Smart. Very smart. We're just getting loaded up here. Oh, okay. Beckham's got the Adventure Elite. And the Adventure Force.
and watch this. Watch this.
Okay, let's see. Let's see first shot. Let's see the first shot. Go Max, let's see it. Oh, pretty good distance out there. Nice. Very nice.
Are we supposed to shoot each other?
Well, we're trying, but we gotta get loaded up first.
Do you already?
I'm gonna be using Ultra Tech Wizard. See how this goes. I don't think they can pull it back because that top piece is so hard to pull back. But we'll see.
I almost shoot you.
You almost did? We only have one bullet. Let's see.
Because all my bullets are over there.
Huh. I see.
And here.
Well, we need to fix that, don't we?
But I'm having launcher bullets.
So do you in your lunchbox. Hey, get your gun loaded up. Let's see here. Get the gun. I think you just stick them in here, man.
Yeah, you do.
All right, that's easy. You can handle this one, Maddox. Or do you want this one?
I want this one.
Oh, okay. Well, you hold it and I'll load them up. Oh, that's probably good for it. Let's see. Toss them in here. Hold that gun for me. Hold this gun. All right. And we're gonna load them up. 2, 3,
Yeah, bullets.
4,
This one broke.
5, and
6.
all right, we're loaded up.
Somehow
Okay,
this one
we got 3 bullets left. Where we should put these?
Oh.
Oh, what's that one go to? Did that one
Let's
come out?
put them back in here.
Back in here? Okay, we'll save them for later. Actually, how about we load this gun up just in case Dad runs out of bullets. He may need another gun to go get. I'd hate to be out of bullets during a Nerf battle.
Did somebody take a bullet out of mine?
What? Oh, that's the bullet that fell out of here. Here, I stole it from you, I guess. Didn't even know it. All right, you got your pistol and you got the white one, right? Beckham, you loaded up?
Yeah, I'm going to the other side.
Ah, you're gonna go to the other side. Smart. He's gonna defend that side. Max, you and I will be down here defending this side, okay? All right? He's on the one door side, and we are on the one door. We'll call it two door side because it has a little purple door in it. All right? Well, we may have to run and attack him. Okay? We have to sneak up on him. Some of your sneak moves. Sneak moves. Sneak moves. Hey, wait, he's not ready. He's not ready. He's not ready. Oh, he's ready. It's game on. Actually, no shots fired yet. Ooh, there we go. Oh, you already out of bullets? You got the wrong gun. Oh, here we are. Here we are. Boom. Oh, where did that one go? Oh, you gotta reload. Watch that fan. It'll get you every time. What about this? Ooh. Let's see. Alright, he wants to play way over there. Whoa, over the head. Where's Maddox? Where's Maddox at? Go get him, Maddox. What you got? Ooh, go get him. Go get him. Watch the fan. Hey, let's get him right here. Not outside, not outside. Get him, Max. Oh. Watch that cord. There we go. Now stop. Face him off. Shoot him, Max. Got him.
I got him.
Huh? Ooh, you got a bullet. Didn't shoot. Didn't shoot. Didn't shoot again. This one will though. Down goes Beckham. Down goes Beckham. I'm out of bullets. Oh no. What am I gonna do? Oh, we gotta find bullets.
I'm gonna do that.
There's one.
Oh,
Whoa. Oh, he got me. Ah. Get him, Maddox. Oh, did he get you?
yeah. I
I need a bullet. I need a bullet. Oh, right in the chest. Oh. He got me way up here. He's not gonna get you hurt. These are Nerf bullets. You're fine. You got a helmet on. All right. Hey, go get that other gun with more bullets. Oh, what? Oh, you got the camera. Nice. Oh.
I hit his pants.
Did you hit his pants? Go get those bullets, Max. Whew. You're shooting a lot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch the cord. Oh, no. Now I got him. Now I got him. Boom. Oh, missed. You're out of bullets. Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. Oh, you got me. Uh-oh. Misfire. Misfire.
Wait, hit the camera. Stop.
It's fine. Oh, we gotta hit the camera. Oh, he got him. He got him from point blank. Oh, now he's gonna get you back. Oh, he's got bullets in there. It's okay. Look, it doesn't hurt. Oh, did he get you? Oh, did it hurt? No, I don't think it hurt. Don't get that close.
Oh my.
Get him, Maddox, get him. Got him, nice. See, it doesn't hurt. Man, you got him close up. Don't get that close, Beckham. Yeah. Oh, oh. Oh, right in the arm. Oh. Oh, you got me right in the arm. Oh, he's a pretty good shot. I'm gonna have to back up and regroup here. Let's see. All right, one more shot. All right, here we go. You ready? Oh, oh, barely missed. Man, I've got to reload. Uh-oh. So does he. All right, let's get reloaded. Let's see, Maddox, let's go get him. Let's go get him. One more time. One more time. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, miss. Whoop. Oh, missed him. Right behind him. We don't tackle in Nerf Wars. You can't just shoot him from point blank, man. You gotta give him a little room.
I got it.
Uh-oh, he's out. Let's get him when he's down. Let's get him when he's down. Ooh, barely missed. Let's come over here. Ooh. Oh, man, he's got him from point blank again. Okay, you want to regroup? Let's pause the game. Times? Huh?
I need some more bullets.
Need some more bullets, and how about some water? Let's take a water break. Yeah. Awesome. Great first round.
No!
Let's go pick them up. Let's go pick them up. Pick up the bullets. Oh, beat me to it. Okay. Oh, man. I should just challenge you to picking up your room. Maybe you'll pick it up that fast, huh? Huh? No? You guys think that was a good idea? I think it was. But we'll try it tonight, see if he actually picks up his room. Oh, back at it again. Alright, you all loaded up over there in the corner? Whoa, let me just see what you got over here. Oh, there's nothing to see over here. Just maybe pick up a bullet or two. I'm gonna do the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's time for a Nerf battle. Here we go. All right, he's gonna reload. Oh, I gotta reload too. Oh, here we go. Maybe I need to just try a little practice round. Right over the right shoulder. Oh, just make sure he's there. All right, who we got over here? Max, you ready? I just really wanted to be an announcer. I guess I was a little early on the whole countdown, huh? Whoops. Let's see what we got. Let's see what old Maddox is doing. Mad Dog. Mad Dog. Hey, dude. Looks like you're concentrating over here. Are you ready for battle?
Yeah.
Are you ready for battle? Let me hear you roar. Ooh, I'm scared. Let's do it. All right. Are you ready down there? All right. We got our roars in. Our neighbors know what we're doing. All right. 5, 4. You don't have to have them all loaded up, bud. Just one gun. Come on, let's go. 4, 3, 2, and Nerf battle. Oh, here we go. Oh, miss. Oh, it got me in the leg. Oh. And then Maddox got me. Whose team are you on? It's now 2-on-1. Oh, that wasn't far away. Oh, and that one got me right in the arm. Oh, in the finger. What? Oh, he's a good shot. Let's go. Oh, man, right in the back. He's a good one. All right, I got to get loaded up. I got to stop getting shot here. We got to do something about it. Oh, man, that was a close one. Did a drive-by on me. All right, Max, trade me guns back. Here. Here, go get the pistol. Go get the. Oh, you want that one? Well, then I gotta cock it for you. Hold on. There you go. Go get him. Go get him. Hey, wait, are you getting me? Ah! Oh, in the arm. Got in the leg from point blank. Whoa. All right, y'all too close. Too close for comfort here. I'm gonna try this gun. Try this one out.
Dad, do this when I get you.
All right, do you want me to cock that gun so that way you can shoot me with it? Yeah. Seems like a great idea, doesn't it? All right, let's go. All right. Oh, hit the gun. Oh, he's gonna shoot the camera. He's gonna shoot the camera. Oh, and Beckham gets me right in the chest. All right. Oh, and the leg. Woo. Oh, that one went out. Out the door. We lost a bullet to the door. Oh, no. Oh, perfect timing. Uh-oh. My gun didn't fire. Whew. Look at this. See, where did they go? See, where did they go? Uh-oh. Okay, we'll come and find it later, but y'all gotta come back in. We can't play out there. We'll lose all our bullets. Ooh. Now you gotta come through the door of death. I'm just kidding. Let's do the opening. Go through the opening. Ooh. Oh, got one. Down goes Beckham. Down goes Beckham. Whoa. Oh, grab that one. Grab that one. Nice. Uh-oh. Oh, and Max is falling. Max is falling. He needs our help. Maddox. Max, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Oh, he's rock climbing. He's rock climbing. Nice. Nice.
Oh my God.
And Beckham is pulling a 007 through the door. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Oh, I can see him. I see him. Over there somewhere. Let me get my gun ready here. Let's see if we can't find him. Where's he at? I don't see him.
Nope, not here.
Is he gone? Oh, there he is. He's at the other door. Uh-oh. Got no worky. No worky. Oh no. It's gone. It's not working. Oh, rock climber again. Okay, one more shot, and then the second round's over. One more shot. We got Mr. Rock Climber. Let's go check on him. He's going down, but he's coming back up. He's got it. He's got it. I don't know if y'all got to see that, but we have a little sneaky one. Just went out that door. So let's see what we got over here. See if we can't find him.
He's right there.
Where get this other gun?
He's right there.
Oh, okay.
Clap it for me.
Huh?
Give me it. Give me it.
Here, let's go this way. Hey, come inside. Come inside. Come inside. Let's go see. He has to come through that door, Maddox. Be ready. Be ready for him. Where did he go?
I hear somebody, but I hear somebody.
There he is.
Pause the game. Cat. My fingernail.
Oh no. Got a cracked fingernail?
Yeah.
Game over?
I was like running that way, and then like I scraped my fingernail on the wall.
Let me see. Wow, that's too close. Ouch. All right.
I can see.
All right. Ooh. All right. We may have
I
to go
can
get
see it.
we may have to go get a Band-Aid on that one. All right.
It's just scraped.
All right. Well,
Just cracked.
was that a good enough Nerf battle? You just shot one out there. Go grab that. All right. What do y'all think? That was a good enough Nerf battle? Round 2 over? Maybe we can do it again sometime. I think I'm, right in the, got me in the leg again. Look at these bullets coming in here. Where's that coming from? He's still out there shooting. I thought he was hurt. All right, guys, what do you think? I think I'm worn out. That was only 2 rounds of Nerf battle. But, oh, there's another casualty. I think we just got taken out by the door. Sounds like a good clothesline to end the show here. So, anyways, thanks for joining. This is our Nerf battle. Well, that was fun, wasn't it?
Yep. Yes.
You enjoyed it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. What's your favorite part?
You know what? Crashing into the wall and escaping from my finger.
Oh yeah, we do have a little casualty there with a finger, don't we? Yeah. Yeah. At least you don't have to go to the hospital, right? You don't need to go to the hospital? Get stitches?
Nope.
Okay. Good deal. All right.
Maybe getting all the bullets, stealing Max's gun,
Yeah?
stealing 1 bullet.
Yeah. Just the 1 bullet was the funnest?
It shoots hard.
Does it? The pistol may have shot the furthest. May have to do some little trial runs on that, I guess, huh? See which one shoots the furthest. Maybe we'll have to do that next time. We'll have a little competition on Nerf guns and see which one shoots the furthest. So, anyways, we're gonna end this and head back to the house and get ready for, what is it? What's tonight, Beckham?
School!
School.
Meeting the mascot!
Meeting the mascot? Who's the mascot?
Tiger!
All right, bud, what are we doing?
Going inside
Where are we?
elementary school.
All right.
At the elementary school. Beckham is doing Meet the Teacher tonight. We didn't get to do that last year when he started kindergarten because of everything and restrictions. So we're excited to get to walk him in, take in our school supplies. Maddox, are you excited to see the school?
Yes.
So Maddox has got a few years before he'll go to kindergarten, but he'll get to see it. What do you think, Daddy?
I'm excited. Yeah, I didn't get to do this last year, so let's go meet the new teacher and see if she can put up with Beckham for a whole year.
You think so?
Yep.
You think he'll be pretty good? Yeah? All right, let's do it. Okay, Meet the Teacher was a success. What do you think?
Good.
What do you think about your teacher?
Like her.
What do you think about your classroom?
I like it.
Want to tell us anything about it? What's going to be your
Bigger.
favorite thing?
Maybe the playground, bring my basketball to it.
Oh, y'all can take balls? Did you know anybody in your class?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're done. It was,
Not the tiger.
and Maddox said we saw the tiger. It's pretty crazy in there.
A little busy. But it's good.
Yeah, we're excited. All right, say bye.
Bye.